another quick video here from Adam at POTN. This time we've got a brand new exciting product from Forge Motorsport. We're going to be looking at part number FM-INLED-1, which is the new intake duct for the GR Yaris. Of course, we've got one, so we had to get one ordered. Really excited to do this, so we're just going to do a quick unboxing. We'll show you quickly how we installed it, and we'll let you know our thoughts. Quite a cool product. It's fully carbon. RRP is £399.99. Completely worth it. You know you're getting a quality product from Forge Motorsport, made here in the UK. So this is going to be replacing the standard intake duct. If you haven't opened your GR Yaris bonnet already, it's this pathetic bit of plastic here that leads out from the outside into the standard airbox, letting in some nice cold air. So this is the Forge Motorsport product. Of course, really light, full carbon, comes with the lovely Forge stamp on the front and the barcode and part number here on the entrance there. Really solid brackets, feels like a really quality part, really nice smooth edges, really happy with that. Of course, wouldn't expect anything less from Forge, fantastic. So other than the looks, of course it offers a nice beefier look than the standard one, which we'll show you a clip of. This one has the top inlet and the bottom inlet. Now the reason the bottom inlet's there is, if you didn't know, the standard airbox has basically a vacuum valve on the bottom, which opens up on full throttle to let more air into the intake. The beauty of this one is it's going to be feeding in through the carbon and giving more cold air feed into the bottom, producing much cold air, much more power, and well, and looks better. So let's get it installed and we'll see what we think. So I don't know if you guys can see it in this dark light, but this is the vacuum valve basically that opens up a flap on the bottom of the airbox here. So this would open up like this on full throttle. So instead of getting hot air from the engine, you can be getting nice cold air from the Forge inlet duct. So that's the new Forge inlet duct installed. It wasn't too bad a job. We did have to remove quite a bit of the airbox, but luckily Forge include all their instructions on their website, which you can go and have a look at. You get your free Forge sticker. So quick recap, why has Forge released this product? Multiple of reasons. Firstly, the size difference. If we compare the two, the standard one is much smaller. Forge have really kind of optimized the space there with their carbon inlet duct, allowing much more air to pass through the front bumper and into the right places in the intake. Second reason, hot air soak. The standard airbox suffers with heat soak just because of the vacuum valve at the very bottom of the intake opened up on full throttle. This time, the Forge inlet duct is going to be letting cold air to the top and bottom of the intake. So when that valve opens up, you get nothing but cold air in there, which is giving you a much more consistent temperatures throughout the day. If you're on track or on fast road, much better for the engine, much better for the performance. Third reason, it's carbon. It looks fantastic. Everyone wants in the engine bay. And do you know what? It's really beefed out the engine bay to a much better look in our opinion. We really like it. So you've just bought the Forge inlet and you might be thinking, well, what else can I do just to have a bit more performance? Well, we've partnered ours with the Pipercross air filter. Fantastic, also available on POTN.UK or over on Pipercross shop. And that will give you even more airflow. All that cold air will be going into better use because it'll be going through the high foam. The filter will be just giving you much more performance and giving you a much better setup. So we're doing lots and lots of GR Yaris videos at the moment, as well as much more content. We've got Liberty Walk Supras, we've got everything you guys want to see, so please do like, subscribe and comment below. If there's anything you want to see us to talk about, then please just let us know in the comments and let us know what you think to the inlet duct. It's available on POTN.UK. Just go to the GR Yaris section, we've got all the products listed, or just give us a message on YouTube and we can send you to the right place. Cheers.